first recipe that we're going to make is an oven barbecued rabbit. Anyway, so let's look at the ingredients that we're going to need for that. First of all, of course, the star of the show, we're going to need our rabbit. We're also going to use some bell pepper, some garlic, in which I like to use garlic in almost everything, even ice cream. And we're going to use shallots. You can use onions, but the shallot, to me, has a milder flavor. Plus, it's got, you know, those elements of garlic. Then I use my basic seasoning mix. You use whatever you like. A little balsamic vinegar for the sauce, some Worcestershire, some soy, and your favorite store-bought barbecue sauce, because we're going to make it easy. Anyway, that's our ingredients.